Welcome to Simple French with Thomas. Today let's discover the demonstrative adjectives in French. Alright, so first of all, what is a demonstrative adjective in French? Well, it's a word you're gonna use to show something. For example, I can say this dog, or I can say those flowers. Anything that will be pointing at something in front of a noun. You will have 4 different ways of using this in French. You will have a male version of this, which is ce. Sometimes you're also going to use cette, that we're going to see in a second. You're going to have cette in front of a female word, and you're going to have c'est in front of a plural word. Now let's see concretely how does it look. Ce chien est beau. Chien is a masculine word. You say un chien, so you're going to use ce chien, this dog. Or you could say ce professeur parle français. Professeur is a masculine word. This teacher speaks French. Now, in some situations, you're gonna have male nouns starting with a vowel sound. Like if I say, for example, un enfant. Enfant, it's a masculine word, starts with a vowel sound, so I'm not gonna use ce to say ce enfant. Instead, I'm gonna use cet enfant. It sounds better. This is the main reason why we're doing this, because ce enfant, we don't like having 2 vowels next to each other. This is the reason why you're gonna have to use cet enfant, which is the same thing if, for example, you say cet hamburger est délicieux. Cet hamburger est délicieux. Hamburger starts with a vowel sound because your H is actually silent here. Cet hamburger est délicieux. Same rule. Now let's have a look to the female version of this cette that you're gonna use basically in front of any female word in French. Like for example, j'aime cette idée. J'aime cette idée. I like this idea. Or you could also say, cette année, je reste chez moi. Cette année, je reste chez moi. This year, I stay at home. Une année, female word, cette année. And the last version of this in French will be when you use plural. In that case, you don't need to have a male version or a female version. You basically have a common plural, this, which will be pronounced c'est. And I could say, for example, ces crêpes sont délicieuses. These crepes are delicious. And if you pay attention, I agreed everything in my sentence. These plural crêpes with an S, sont. They are délicieuses, es. Everything is plural right here, and this is basically, as you probably know already, something you need to pay attention to when you create a French sentence. Alright, this is the main thing to remember when you're going to use the demonstrative adjectives. If you have any question, don't hesitate obviously to leave a comment under this video. I will be happy to answer to everything. And don't forget to hit the bell to be sure you won't miss anything from this channel. À bientôt.